got her. All right, I don't know how dark it is, how much you can see. I think you came into this video with me trying to get the tires off the wheels. I just took care of the tractor. I used that to break the beads down. Other than having to get in and out of it several times, it's pretty slick to break the bead down on a tire, on a wheel. So, yeah, it is pretty dark. So I can't imagine you saw much of anything. So yeah, we got them off there. So now I'm going to clean the wheels up, make sure they're all deburred in case there's any snags and stuff like that that's going to cut the bead, putting it back on. Sometimes swinging the hammer, you'll miss and roll that edge into a little sharp spot. So you don't want to catch your hand on it either way you're putting them on. And we got a few bugs out here, so they're always a welcome attraction. Make you nice and itchy, dig some of your skin off. I guess you're exfoliating manually. Yeah, so pop the wheel weights off, clean the wheels, and then I got to find a piece of plywood to flop down. And we'll go ahead and mount the other tires on those wheels tomorrow. Get them popped on there. Then we'll throw them on the truck. And hopefully that'll get rid of the shaky shake. All right, I'm gonna shut you off. Have fun. Bye.